Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Danielleish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. You guys, Valentine's Day is coming and I am hyped. I freaking love Valentine's Day. It is like my jam. I love stuff. Love stuff is the best and I'm just stoked. I'm so excited. I thought I'd come out with you guys with my second Valentine's Day tutorial of the year. If you haven't seen my first one, I will link it in the description box below and there should be a little tag thing popping up on one of these sides, so click it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you think you're going to like this video, or if you just haven't subscribed yet, just do it. If you guys want to see how this look turns out, then please just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my primer today, and for primer I'm going to use my Dr. Brandt Illuminizer Primer. This is a great primer. It makes everything stay on all day long. And to brighten my complexion a little bit, just to give me a little bit of an extra glow, I'm going to mix in my Cover FX Enhancing Drops in the color Halo, and it's a holographic color. So I'm going to mix these up and we're going to get started. Start my foundation, and I'm going to mix my two favorite foundations. So we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Go ahead and use my Rimmel Match Perfection powder, and I'm just going to set my concealer. My foundation is done. I guess I'm gonna start on my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna get you guys zoomed in, up close and personal, and we're gonna see what happens because I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So I'm actually gonna start out with my transition shade, and for my transition shade today I'm going to take a color from the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks palette. This is actually a blush palette, but we're gonna mess with it and we're gonna play with it on our face, or our eyes at least. I'm gonna use my Sigma E35 blending brush, and we are going to I think we're gonna start with this color right here. Next trick, I'm going to use this color right here to darken it up a little bit. Going with my Bad Habit Retro Love palette. This is actually a dupe palette, and this is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So we're going to go into this color right here called Rock and Roll. Take a little bit of my concealer and we're going to attempt a cut crease because I don't do these often, but we gonna do it today. Pure Cosmetics brightener and bronzer, and I'm going to take a duo shadow brush by Face Secrets, and I'm going to dip into the highlight color. Let's put on some eyeliner. So today for eyeliner, like usual, I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner because it's my go-to. My eyebrows are perfect today because I got them done today. So I'm just going to darken them up a little bit and elongate them using my e.l.f. brow in medium. I'm going to take my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel and just gel these babies into place. Just for funsies, I'm going to put on some eyelashes. We're going to use the Mimi lashes from LEXIHAIRCO. I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue in dark. My eyelashes are on. I'm going to contour and highlight my face. So for contouring today, I'm going to use my beloved, very dirty, very used Morphe 9C Contour and Highlight Palette because it's my favorite. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light brush because that's the go-to brush that I use when I use this palette. And I'm going to start to carve out my cheek. Oh snap, this is adorable. Cool. Everything is going perfect today and I love it. Love when that happens. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer. I love this thing. It's a sample size, but I got it in my Ipsy like forever ago when I had Ipsy, and it's been very used. And I've been on the hunt for a new one, and I'm gonna need y'all's help because I don't know what to get. What's a great bronzer that's affordable? If anyone knows of a great bronzer, hit me up. For highlight today, I'm going to use the exact same highlighter that I used on my eyelids from the Pure Bronze and Bright palette. And I'm going to use my favorite go-to highlight brush, which is my Morphe M506. And I'm going to get it wet with my Cover FX setting spray. Seen my videos before, that's what I do. If you haven't seen my videos before, go watch them. Highlight the tip of my nose. This is super cute. I don't know what to do with myself. I think I'm going to use some blush because I never use blush. So I'm going to use these two. I don't know if y'all heard that, but there's thunder outside. Last but not least, and because you know your girl's killing it with the pink today for this Valentine's Day look, I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss. It's a lip gloss, but because nude is working a-okay today, we're just going to put a little bit of color in there. We are done with today's tutorial and today's pink, and this is killing it. Valentine's Day, here we come. Tutorial number 2, coming at you with the pink and the glam, but like still chill because I'm in a hoodie and a headband. It's perfect. It's perfect. If there is anything else you guys would like to see from me, please let me know in the comment section below. I will link a list of all the products that I used and where to find them. I love how this turned out. If you guys love how this turned out, give me a shout out in the comment section below. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Hit the little notification bell, that way you're the first people to see when I post something. And have a great Valentine's Day. That's it, y'all. I love you. Bye.